What is up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Jack coming at you with Building from Zero, and today we are going to talk about something I struggle with all the time: getting motivated and staying motivated. It is incredibly difficult, and if you agree, stick around, we're going to talk about it. So, I didn't get to put out a normal video this week. We're going to cover Instacart. You can probably hear this torrential downpour outside. And today at work, I was just thinking about it, and getting started and staying motivated to do things is some of the hardest things you'll ever do. So when you wake up in the morning and you go to work, your motivation is, I need to go to work, I need to work these hours, I need to get these paychecks. While you also have to find your motivation for building your other income streams, for keeping yourself healthy, for keeping your mental health taken care of. And that's kind of what I want to talk about today. So you need to schedule these things into your day and stick to them the same as everything else. So right beside get up and go to work, you need to set aside an hour tonight to read a book. Set aside an hour tonight to talk on the phone with my significant other. Set aside an hour tonight to do something for you, because you need to do things for you, right? And staying motivated is part of that, right? So when you sit down and you make your to-do list and you're adding all these things to it, like we're going to get up, we're going to go to work, we're going to go out to dinner with Joe from work, we're going to go have a beer, we're going to go whatever you're going to do, you need to add to that, on this day, at this time, I'm going to work on this. For example, I schedule my self-care every Wednesday. Every Wednesday is the reason I don't post videos on Wednesday unless they're scheduled. I go to Dave & Buster's. I have some drinks, I play some games, and then I'll walk across the street and I'll watch a movie, because I need me time, right? And then the rest of the week, with the exception of this week, of course, on Sundays, I sit down, I make a presentation, I talk to you guys about doing something. I know a lot of you guys don't watch this stuff. I know a lot of you guys don't care. I know a lot of you guys aren't going to subscribe. But I make the time to stay motivated to do it. I'm going to do this because I want to do it. You need to come up with your reason to do things. My reason is I want to build this channel. I want to share my knowledge with people. I want to have people doing what I'm doing. I'm not making millions of dollars by any means, but I'm living comfortably, and I can afford the things I want, and I can afford to do the things I want to do. And the reason I can do that is because I follow the strategies that I talk about. We haven't talked about a lot of them yet, but we'll get there. And I'm open to answering questions. If you guys have any questions, if there's anything you want to talk about, if there's a topic you want me to cover, you just put it in the comments. I'll check every single one of them. And if there's something I think that people need to hear about or people need to learn, I will 100% make a video about it. We'll talk about it. I'll get back to you. We'll go back and forth. We'll make sure you all understand what's going on. But I don't know if you don't ask. If you need to know how to stay motivated, I can give you a list of 1,000 different books to read, 1,000 different motivational speakers to listen to. There are ways to stay motivated, but the one I'm trying to share with you today: schedule your time. Plan your time. Plan to do your thing. I schedule 2 nights a week to go DoorDash. Do I need to? No. But having that schedule keeps me motivated to do it. I've decided I'm going to do this. I'm going to stick to it. So let's go, right? So 2 of my nights are DoorDash. One of them is making videos on here for you guys, and one of them is going to Dave & Buster's. That's 4 days, right? That leaves me 3 to do anything else. If I want to go on dates, if I want to make more content, or if I want to work more, you can do it on those 3 days. But make sure you're scheduling your things to keep your mind on track and to keep yourself healthy. One of the things I struggle with the most, it's one of the things I know a lot of other people struggle with, And it's just something that I wanted to take a minute and talk to you guys about. If you have any more questions about that kind of stuff or need some more resources, let me know. I will gladly give you some links. I will gladly make some recommendations, and we'll get you pointed in the right direction. Sorry for the rambling, but today it was just something that was on my mind and I thought some people might need to hear it. Anyways, if you liked it, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit that bell notification icon so you get a notification every time I make a new video. Hope you guys have a good evening and happy money making.